Pilitang ka na halimaw. So I've been a sponsor for 20 years.
Been sponsoring for many years.
I'm currently sponsoring 2 kids and hopefully I'll get it for the near future. And yes, I'm very excited.
Ang vision board ng community ni Kinsel. Ang pundasyon ng community na to ay nasa baba. Ito yung inuna namin.
Namit ko na po na akong sponsor, naging happy po ako, na-excite ako, joyful yung ka-istorya, tapos buutan, tapos nagatagapian advice.
Nakita ko na nag-sponsor, naging happy ako kay mo pa yung istorya, buutan, tapos damo pa niya papianahan.
May panahon na umuutang yung gulay, tapos itlog.
Para kayong sayable.
Wala, ma'am.
Ah!
Wala.